If you want to change icon's style or shape on Samsung Galaxy S25, the only way to do so on this phone is by using a different icon theme. For example, I have this custom theme over here that is changing some of these icons. Now, of course, the ideal theme should change every icon on the phone, but in order to change that style, that shape, or these shapes of the icons, we need to go to settings. Then in the settings, go to themes, and in Galaxy themes at the bottom, we can switch to icons. Besides that, of course, apart from scrolling over here and finding what you like, you can also go to top, and then here we can switch to free, so you will see only free themes for icons. And let's say, as an example, I'm gonna choose this one over here, and we're gonna press download and then apply. You might need to have a Samsung account to be able to actually download these themes, but as you can see, once we apply it, we immediately change these icon styles. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!